Hi, I'm Bryan Rodriguez, and I'm a graduate from South Coast Welding Academy. Well, I graduated South Coast Welding Academy in January 2018, and I started working at Orion Marine Group down in Houston, Texas in February 2018. Here at Orion, I'm a structural welder in a power driving crew. You know, here at Orion Marine Group, it isn't just I'm a welder. Here it's we're a family, and we're gonna help all of us, no matter what it is. If it's rigging, if it's deckhand, if it's power driving, we all work together. We build decks, we build pipe racks for plants, for refineries, whatever it is. We build sheet pile walls, and a lot of crane operating and heavy lifting. My uncle knew a guy who told me about the school, and he basically started talking to me about how much money he made. And the problem with me was I didn't have the money to go to college. So he told me, if I start welding, you can make money quick and use that money to go to college and not, you know, get in debt with loans. So I joined South Coast Welding Academy in August 2017. And if I'm being truthfully honest, the second day I was there, I fell in love with it. I dreamt about welding, and I went to sleep thinking about it. I couldn't wait to go back because unlike other schools, South Coast Welding Academy teaches you hands-on all day. All you do is weld. All you do is burn rods and get better at it the harder you try. So if I do decide to go to college later on, I still have to give it up to welding, and especially South Coast Welding Academy, Agilo, Abraham, people who taught me, because without them, I wouldn't be where I'm at. If I do end up going to college, which I'm still not sure of, I'll go into civil engineering, because this is what the company is for, you know. They'll hire civil engineers, and if I've worked here before, it'll look good on me. But my main goal right now is to get my money straight and get a rig, go into pipelining or anything that has to do with me being welding all day, because that's what I love. For anybody out there who is stuck on what they want to do with their life, is still in high school, about to graduate, and you're stressing out about what you want to do, if either go to college or go to a trade school or the army or anything like that, you know, in my honest opinion, this generation is too scared to get their hands dirty nowadays. And, you know, teachers make you believe that the only way out is through college, going to a 4-year university. And for me, I decided to take a different path. I decided to become a welder. It's hard, you know, but you gotta put blood, sweat, and tears into it. If you do end up wanting to go to college, I guess just make sure, you know, that's what you truly want to do. Don't go just because they tell you that's the only way out. Look at other options. There are many different things you can do that pay just as much as a 4-year degree, if not more. Because I'll tell you firsthand, welding will give you more or equal to the amount that a 4-year degree can give you. And I'm 19. There are people who are 25 making much less than I am. And I'm not trying to brag here. I'm trying to prove a point as to showing people that college isn't for everybody. And don't let anybody tell you that it is the only way out, because it's not. And if it wasn't for South Coast, you know, I wouldn't be here, you know. I love it. Yeah, I sweat a lot. I'm out in the sun or in the cold. Once I drop that hood and it's just me welding, you know, I can't think of anything else that I'd rather do with my day. that's pretty much it. You know, good luck to everybody. I wish y'all the best. Think about it real hard. There's different paths you can take, and stop letting people tell you there's only one, because there's not. You know, take me as a motivation, because I'm 19, fresh out of high school. I went to welding school, and I'm doing great. I love it. Yeah, whenever I can get to sleep, I'll take it. I don't take naps anymore. You know, if I'm going to sleep, I'm not waking up till I gotta go back to work.